Hey guys, welcome back to Love Quick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Alisanda Seaweed Spray for men's intimate health. So, you might be wondering what is Alisanda Seaweed Spray here that you may be hearing or seeing online. So, Alisanda Seaweed Spray here is a topical spray marketed for male vitality or male performance and tumescence support. Now, the official website here presents it as an alternative to pills and other products, now claiming that it is designed to work quickly after application. Now, in this case, the website makes several strong performance claims here. So that includes, or it says that the spray can produce tumescence in just 43 seconds. It claims to work faster than Viagra and says a single dose can provide vitality or invigorate someone or support someone for up to 4 hours. Now, the company here also claims that the formula can increase blood flow in the male intimate area here by 512% compared with normal. Now, these are claims made by the product website. Now, the page here, or the website here, describes Alisanda here as something intended to provide fast-acting support and help maintain tumescence during such activities. However, the product page currently does not provide much detailed information about exact ingredients included on the product here, so it is advised that you do your own research on this one and maybe reading the product. It's the actual product container or the actual product box here before actually using it if you already bought it for yourself. And so in this case, how to exactly use it? Well, according to their website here, there's not much that we could get in one of the website here. The only thing that we could get out of the website is they do mention that you apply this in your area. Well, in this case, you just need to use it before such activities or before engaging in those activities that you want to do. Now, if you want to see the exact instructions on how to exactly use it, well, again, you may want to refer to the actual box or the actual packaging here for the exact application of the product itself. Now, there's not much information we can get in here, but if you are still interested in buying the product itself, currently it is priced at around $18.90 to around $40.90, depending on the package that you are going to buy from them. Now, in this case, if you are interested with the product itself, and because this product is marketed for such male health here and intimate health for men, and it also makes some strong medical type performance claims here, well, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before using it is actually recommended. Now, this applies for anything that you're buying online or you're going to try in the future. So again, it's better to be safe. Consult your doctor first, especially if you are experiencing a huge problem with your in that area, or if you are just really cautious with this product here. But that's about it. If you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.